When the market opens today, Amazon is going to split. And instead of it being about $2,400 a share, it's going to be about $120 a share. So to the average person that is not going to buy a $2,400 share, they are going to be able to go and buy Amazon for $120. What is that going to do? It's going to attract people to this stock. It's going to cause buyers that couldn't afford one share of Amazon before, or that don't understand that splitting your shares doesn't change the market cap of the company. You're still getting the same thing. You're just getting more shares for it. So I'm going to pay attention to this. There is a good chance that when this thing opens up today, we end up something like this. The stock price rallies up and it rallies back down and it just closes somewhere in the middle. There's also a chance that it gives us a big green engulfing candlestick. The one thing I can guarantee you is that we are going to get a ton of money and volume coming into this stock. It's going to happen because funds that haven't bought into it before, individuals that haven't bought into it before, hype dorks that haven't bought into it before, they've only been able to buy fractional shares of this. They're going to see that this is going to be a cheap stock that they can buy. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to pay attention to this thing from a swing trading perspective, from a long-term perspective. So when stocks split, it's important to know how to go and trade them, how to know when to buy on engulfing candlesticks, how to follow the trend. This is where I can help you. Come and join me in the Bid and Ask Nation. You'll get my Employed Trader series that I go through stocks every single day. And why this is important, because 6 stocks that I follow every single day, no matter what happens, earnings, dividends, stock splits, it doesn't matter. You'll be able to see the thinking that I have on these 6 stocks. You also get the Trading 101 series, which are all of the rules that you need to apply to be successful in any type of trading. You get hundreds of members that are in the Bid and Ask Nation. There's a lot of members that were in there for just 1 month, and they were able to pay for their entire Bid and Ask Nation membership for an entire year, plus they're making profits on top of it. And this is just from 1 to 2 months of paper trading. You get my exclusive seminars that I do monthly. Everything is saved, and you can go back and watch it all. There's a huge archive of content. Come and join me in the Bid and Ask Nation if you are serious about trading. So I do think that there's a good chance that Amazon starts to get a ton of buying volume coming into it, and our long-term stochastic, let me make this bigger for you, our long-term stochastic really moves up and into this sweet spot. And you will be able to, 1, fill this gap, and 2, go beyond that. Go beyond that. Maybe you're going to get to, well, whatever these levels are. This says $3,100 a share this morning, but we can get this thing going to whatever that price is, 150, 180. Just pay attention to the long-term stochastic. Pay attention to your engulfing candlesticks. Follow your rules, and you will be able to make money on Amazon. Catch you on the flippity flop.